outbreak that originated from China has now its reach all over the world. In mere 5 months, this infection has affected more than 200 countries and it is spreading like a forest fire. Every country all around the world is an urge of finding vaccination and cures to fight the coronavirus. But till now, no such solid and remarkable solutions have been discovered. India is one of the countries which have been drastically affected by the coronavirus pandemic. Everyone in this world is talking about the repercussions that humans and the economy are facing due to the spread of the COVID-19. Similarly, Indians are also considering the evil side of the virus. You know, every story has different phases. Just like that, story of the novel coronavirus also has different phases, and one of its phase reflects its positive sides. The lockdown and coronavirus pandemic is teaching us a lesson that we should never forget, and even after this issue gets resolved and gets over, we should keep these lessons with ourselves for life. We should always try to find a silver lining in every situation and circumstances, and in this situation which is drastic and extremely dark, life-threatening and painful, these lessons act as a ray of sunlight. A lesson for the government. The very first lesson that coronavirus crisis has taught is to the Indian government that one should never get overconfident on anything. The country with second best medical facilities, that is Italy, could not even control the spread of the COVID-19 virus, and their hospitals got fully occupied and the situation got so gloomy that the coronavirus started infecting the doctors too. In such a situation, despite being warned so many times by the oppositions and the health advisors, the Indian government did not take measurable steps in the beginning, and after the cases reached 500 and above, the country was suddenly put under the complete lockdown without even giving time to people to prepare themselves, which led to the chaos and violation of the lockdown after few days only. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a last-minute fighter and always creates havoc by imposing his last-minute decisions on the country, and God knows from here he gathers so much overconfidence that a country like India, which falls in the bottom for its healthcare and medical facilities, would be able to fight the infection last minute. The coronavirus pandemic has taught a lesson to Indians on the cleanliness. People in India have become more sensitive towards cleanliness and sanitation. There is no doubt that people in India are really poor when it comes to maintaining cleanliness and hygiene. The concepts of toilets and washing hands in our country came into existence after 20th century, and if we talk about rural areas, people in remote and rural areas are still not aware of the whole concept of maintaining personal hygiene. Even till now, people here don't prefer using toilets or washrooms for urination. Rather than they go to the open areas and fields to do so. After the coronavirus pandemic, the people have become more sensitive and aware about their personal hygiene too. And we actually know this from our insights that how much we all have developed our habits on being clean and hygienic. Before the coronavirus infection, how many of us had this habit of washing our hands in every 1 hour? We used to wash them only at the time if we are using the washroom or before eating food. But now, after the infection, our habit of washing hands 2 to 3 times a day has been changed to at least 10 times a day. Thus, due to coronavirus, people have become more sensitive towards their health and hygiene, and they have started using masks, soaps and sanitizers, etc. That's all for today. Now, this is Palak Gupta signing off, and we'll be back with some more news in the next video. Till then, stay connected and stay safe. Thank you.